Hello, my name is Young. I'm here to talk about our new Reach 3.0 solution. It's a great hotel TV solution that allows you to easily configure user interface, bring up interactive program guide, and manage TVs remotely from the server. So please follow me and you will understand why I am so passionate about our new Reach 3.0 solution. So, this is the Reach server. It allows hotels with a coax infrastructure, meaning one-way communication environment, to create and design hotel TV user interface, do the channel mapping, distribute it, and remotely manage them. So, the questions or voices that we were hearing most frequently from our customers was that, can I design the user interface the way I like it? Sure, I'll show you how it can be done using our Reach 3.0 solution. The easiest way to get started is to use one of our templates. So go to Home, press the File button, and it will bring up 5 different templates where you can choose from, including the blank page. So I'll select the type that I want and give it a new name. Create the project. And it will bring up a whole new project that you can start work with. Okay, so the first thing you might want to do is to change the picture. You can do this easily by double-clicking on the image that you want to change. And it will bring up all the list of pictures that's currently stored in the Reach device. Select a picture that you want to replace to and press OK. Now you have a new picture on the screen. You can also easily resize it, either shrink it or enlarge it, and place it in a different place on the screen if you like. You can do the same thing with the text. So double click to change it, and to move it, just to drag it to a different part of the screen. Now, I will show you how you can create a sub-pages. If you look at the top right-hand corner of the screen, there's a button called Page View. Click that, and what it does is that it will bring up all the pages currently available in this template. Basically, it's the hierarchy of all the pages. And we're currently under this page. And if you want to add a new page to it, you can do that by simply clicking on it and press the plus button. And now you see that this new page called Empty has just been created. You can reverse it by pressing the Empty page and select the Delete Item button. Press OK, and the page has just been deleted. And you can delete any page you like by selecting it and pressing on the minus button. You can also change the ordering of these pages by selecting the page that you want to change the order. Press one of these arrow buttons to move to the top or all the way to the bottom. So, that wasn't difficult, was it? You can also edit to change the background image or color. To do that, go to the BG Edit menu, and it will bring up a number of options that you can choose from. One of the things that you can do is changing the image size or changing the scaling option. But before all that, first thing you have to do is to choose the image. So click that, and it will bring up the Content Manager. Once it has the Content Manager, just select the image you want to use as the background, press OK, and just apply it to the current page. Then you can see that the image you have selected is now become the background image. Even though Reach is used in a one-way communication environment, Reach can receive RSS data such as the weather on behalf of the TV. Then the Reach can push it to the TV so that the TV can display weather information in real time, such as this. Now, of course, if you want to have a complete freedom, you can draw from a blank page. To do that, go to the Home menu, select a file, and it will bring up all those different types you can use from. One of them would be blank. So select a blank page, give it a name, create a project, and for the rest of it, you know the drill. A lot of questions that we get from our customers is that whether they could use the IPG service using our Reach server. The answer is yes, they can. When they use the Samsung TV along with our Reach 3.0 device, they can receive the IPG service. Just to note, our existing Reach devices can also support the IPG service. I often receive this question whether we can create multiple user interface or multiple projects for different guest groups. Yes, we can do that. Go to the group menu at the top of the screen and click on the new button to create a new group. Now it brings up from all the way from 1 to 99 and select any of them as a group ID. Give it a name and select the rooms that you want to include under this group. Now you see this new group ID that's just been created. You can deploy different user interfaces to different groups. Lastly, the deployment. To deploy the project to the TVs, go to the deployment menu at the top of the screen and select the project that you have just created, which in this case would be new hotel project number 1. And you can choose to deploy this to all the TVs in the hotel or to the group that you have previously selected. Now, to make sure that this change is updated and deployed to the TV without rebooting the TV, select this option and press OK. Now, click the Broadcast Application Package button and you will see this message to confirm that the update has been deployed. Close this to complete this deployment process. Now, let's move to the TV. The user interface you're seeing on the TV is the previous one. And as you see, the user interface has been changed to the one that you have created in real time. To summarize, Reach is a user-friendly, easy-to-use hotel TV solution that can be used in hotels with one-way network infrastructure. It's a cost-effective solution that allows you a great deal of freedom in terms of how you want to design and how often you want to update the UI. So, make sure that you contact your Samsung agent and discuss this Reach 3.0 opportunity. Thank you.